Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show a new project. The name is BreezyCoin project. I think this project will be awesome and wonderful project. We support this project. Definitely we will be doing the review. Receive a lot of benefit from the ecosystem. We are with the project at the beginning, so you know the structure and will spread the voice and invite people to the join the emerging project. Okay, stay with me for the more information. Look at the screen. BreezyCoin, and BreezyCoin is a cryptocurrency well rooted in the past and beginning to the future of the always in the development and looking at the extent into other sector. Okay, get Breezy white paper, a lifestyle related token. Lately at the okay, a Breezy coin is a characterized by the Braze or the Braze Dimar family, whose main focus is on the real stable. This way, it has started as being difficulty related and physically assets and become the number one cryptocurrency in the field. When it has reached this milestone, a bigger plan was concept for the future. After okay, how does it work? Acceptance field, lifestyle token, mobile wallet app, healthy life way, payment system. Okay, issues and solution in a context where even some of the most popular token are not being focused their acceptance field. BreezyCoin can be already used in many ways in our daily life, and it will keeping spreading more and the more in the future. Is used this day this day can even the biggest cryptocurrencies are not focusing on the investment of the field without taking into the consideration working in other uses methods in real life. However, even from the beginning, BreezyCoin has started as a token relied on the real is usable sector. Okay, solution. One of your biggest project is represented by a new mobile applicational. BeLife will totally upgrade your lifestyle through its different features. Why would be downloaded? Beside the fact that you will have on the opportunity of the improve the way you live on the most exciting feature and the application is that you will start beginning able to win a BreezyCoin sell. Okay, white paper, wrote our white paper English and new mobile application, Android and iOS app. Some of the many features of this application are difficulty content to the cryptocurrency itself thought at the access to your own wallet on the back of office right on your phone. Some of them are to health as well as it will give you the hands to count your step and manage your sleep, while will be others. There's just for you to have some funnel. You will even be able to win Breezy Coinsel. Get already download BB more token. Important your lifestyle roadmap. Okay, you will observe held on a couple to of your pens. We have until the first quarter of 2022. Okay, March 2021, May 2021, Q3 2021. Big plans. How big plans? We totally care about you as a related person, and for this reason we have it. Okay, how it is that possible? Token distribution, trustful and efficient. Okay, our team member